What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Yesterday I retuned my car with MHD, so super easy. As you can see, I have it right here, the OBD Wi-Fi adapter. However, the check engine light did not clear, and I checked, I read the code, and the only thing that was coming back was the O2 sensor on the downpipe. So I have a catless downpipe, and it was supposed to clear that code, and it didn't. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that cleared. But yeah, I took burbles off, so no longer do I have super loud burbles. Which I like. I like just hearing the sound of the engine and the turbo. I think there's like some OEM burbles every now and then, you know, a little bit, but overall, much better than before. My last tune, the valves, I think they closed almost around third gear. High second, when I got into high RPMs in second gear, and then when I moved into third gear, I think the valves would almost close. Like the engine just sounds so much more, I don't know, it sounds louder, I think. I obviously got to take it on a little bit of a longer test drive, but really liking what I see so far. Yeah, so the check engine light, that's the main reason I wanted to retune it, was to clear that code. So I'm gonna have to figure out what is going on, why it's not clearing. The weird thing is that when I was flashing the car, I had to do a long right first, and then you can do like quick rights after that. But if anybody has an MHD tune on their car, I'd love for you to comment and help me out here. But at the very end, when it's like 100%, complete, it's like successful, blah blah blah. Then it goes into like a stage that's good thing I usually kind of take a little pull right there, so I'm glad did not do that today. He's also looking for people coming that way, so I will not be going fast around this corner anymore. Not that I ever have before, but anyways. For anybody that has an MHD tune, I'd be curious if this has happened to you in your process. It'll be 100% complete, and then it'll say clearing codes, and then all of a sudden the app crashes. And the tune gets loaded to the ECU properly, but I still have obviously like I still have the code, so I'm not really sure what that's all about, but if anybody has any history or any experience with MHD and you notice that your app crashes at the very end, I'd love to pick your brain on how to fix that. I'll just get in contact with MHD support if I need to, but yeah. Annoying because it was gone yesterday and then it came back today, so I don't know what the reason for that is really, but we'll look into it, we'll figure it out. Anyways, that's all for me today. It's Monday, start of a new week, and I gotta figure out how to clear this check engine light. So hope you guys are doing well out there and having a good start to the week. I appreciate the support, appreciate the views, the comments, the likes, all that. Almost to 400 subscribers, so that's awesome. Really excited about that. But yeah, just very thankful for everybody, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, peace.